Hello everyone, I am Purnima Agarwal and I am from PGDM batch 2024-26. I completed my internship at ZF CVCS India Ltd in Chennai and my role was of market analyst. My project was based on ADB customer product analysis and a strategic analysis of the ADAS portfolio provided by ZF for the commercial vehicle segment. This included a secondary research on competitive dynamics, future target customer, trends and the market shifts in India. The key focus was on product positioning research, benchmarking and assessing the feasibility of ADAS turnkey system in India. Classroom concepts like STP, business strategy and supply chain knowledge actually helped me a lot during my internship. One of the highlights was interacting with the ZF's leadership, starting from the regional head of chassis control to the president of ZF India. Their positive outlook and market insights actually helped me to realize that how visionary and grounded these business leaders can be. This internship helped me to understand the importance of team collaboration, starting from receiving the customer quotation to having a fruitful conversation with the manufacturing unit. This internship gave me a clarity on my interest for the tech-driven strategy roles and boosted my confidence for taking up any corporate challenges. It was quite a transformational experience and it helped me to understand more about ZF's product and process. I'm truly thankful to the ZF family and IMI Kolkata for providing me and preparing me for this opportunity. This journey has shaped me and I'm looking forward to carry this learning ahead in my life. Thank you.